My name is Stuart Duff. I'm attending a Bachelor of Business course in Entrepreneurship and Management in IADT. The course that I have studied covers the topic of content marketing through social media. It discusses which ways to distribute your content effectively online and provides suggestions on how to measure your results. The topics included within this course include the power of social media as a platform, the 4 types of content for social media, distributing content on social media, tips for content marketing with social media, and how to measure your success. According to an American author and entrepreneur named Seth Godin, content marketing is the only form of marketing that's left. Content marketing consists of packaging up words and images into a useful format that can be used to attract new business. This type of marketing is conducive on customers doing their own research on a business before dealing with it. It avoids pitching products or services to customers. As a result of this, customers are generally more knowledgeable, while product marketing is more focused on driving up sales at the expense of informing the customer properly. Content is described as a bridge between the customer and the company, and it helps to answer the queries they may have. Social media is the best place for content distribution due to its immensely high user rate, including 467 million people on LinkedIn, 319 million on Twitter, and 1.86 billion on Facebook. When determining their target market, a marketer can take into account demographics, geography, lifestyle, and behavioral factors. The marketing model of awareness, interest, desire, and action can also be used. There are 4 types of social media content. These include written, such as blogs, reports, and presentations; visual, which can include product imagery and infographics; audio and video, such as interviews and podcasts; and interactive, which consists of quizzes, polls, and competitions. One way for content makers to measure their level of success is to analyze their reach. This can consist of their social media followers, their fans, or their connections. In order to increase their lead generation, a marketer could include a call to action in their content, in the form of an email sign-up or a PDF download.